Hey guys, it's Kerry. Today we're diving literally into the weirdest, coolest and most legendary creatures from the ocean. From real-life aliens like the goblin shark to ancient monsters like the megalodon, and even how AI can bring these creatures to life in video. Let's go deep, and I mean deep. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Lobster? Not just fancy food. These guys can live over 100 years, and their teeth are in their stomachs. This is the spiny lobster. Crustaceans like shrimp, crabs and barnacles have hard shells, wild eyes, and some of them can regrow limbs. Basically ocean robots. Clawed lobster? They are characterized by a hard segmented exoskeleton, 2 pairs of antennae, and often have compound eyes on stalks. This means they can see all around. Lobsters have blue blood. Their blood contains a copper-based protein called hemocyanin, which gives it a blue color. Goldfish? They aren't just pets or background noise. They can actually remember things for months. So yes, that whole 3-second memory is definitely a myth. This amazing goldfish is made by one of my viewers, Jamie. Did you know that goldfish have a strong sense of smell, don't have eyelids, and can see more colors than humans? Pufferfish? They are cute, squishy, and deadly. That balloon move is for defense, but their skin is laced with enough toxin to kill 30 humans. Unlike many other fish, pufferfish lack scales. They have powerful, fused teeth that are beak-like and used for crushing mollusks and other hard-shelled invertebrates. Pufferfish are the only bony fish that can close their eyes by retracting their eyeballs into their sockets and sealing the surrounding skin. Meet the goblin shark. It looks like a rejected Pokemon and has a jaw that launches out of its face to catch prey. It's rare, creepy, and totally real. They have a distinctive, long, trowel-shaped snout, much longer than that of other shark species. Unlike most sharks, their jaws can extend forward, a unique adaptation for hunting. They are ambush predators, relying on surprise attacks to capture their prey. Blobfish, the one on the left, has been made by Jamie. Blobfish are deep sea fish that are known for their gelatinous bodies and distinctive appearance when brought to the surface. Their unique physiology, including a lack of hard bones and a swim bladder, allows them to survive under immense pressure in deep waters off the coast of Australia and New Zealand, where they bob along the seafloor, scooping up small creatures like crustaceans. Leafy sea dragon? It looks like someone's glued seaweed onto a seahorse and brought it to life. Their leafy appendages help them blend perfectly into underwater kelp forests, making them masters of camouflage. Weedy sea dragon are cousins of the leafy sea dragon, but with fewer leaf parts and more twig-like vibes. They're still great at hiding in seaweed and kelp, which helps them stay safe from predators. The blue sea dragon is tiny but deadly. This little guy floats upside down on the ocean surface and looks like a creature from a science fiction movie. Don't let the cute blue colour fool you. It stores stinging cells from jellyfish it eats. It then uses them for self-defense. Basically, it's a venomous ninja disguised as sea sparkle. Shrimp? They might seem basic, but there's way more to them than being someone's dinner. Some species, like the mantis shrimp, have the fastest punch in the animal kingdom, strong enough to crack glass. Others clean parasites off fish or live inside coral as roommates. And yes, they walk, swim, and even dance. They have lots of cool moves. Nautilus pompilius is a living fossil. It's barely changed in millions of years. The Nautilus has a gorgeous spiral shell and uses jet propulsion to move by sucking in water and blasting it out. Ammonite? They were marine mollusks that look like snails on steroids. Spiral shells, tentacles, and a serious prehistoric vibe. They went extinct with the dinosaurs around 66 million years ago, but you can still find their fossils today. This one is Pravitocerus. And this one is Pleurocerus. Some were the size of your hand, others the size of a car tire. Cuperocerus was a bizarre-looking prehistoric cephalopod with a coiled shell lined with weird wavy spikes. Trilobite. They were like the cockroaches of the ancient seas, armoured everywhere and around for over 270 million years. Sea star? I prefer to call them that, not starfish. They have no brains and no blood, but they can regrow arms. Some even regenerate their whole body from just a chunk. Sharks come in all shapes. The basking sharks are chill giants. Blue sharks, sleek and fast. Bull sharks are straight up aggressive and can live in fresh water. They've been perfect predators for 400 million years. Basking sharks are the second largest fish in the ocean. But don't freak out, they're totally harmless. These gentle giants swim around with their mouths wide open, filtering tiny plankton out of the water like a living vacuum cleaner. They can grow over 10 meters in length, but they don't have teeth for biting, just gill rakers for straining food. Seeing one in the wild is rare. Blue sharks are sleek, fast, and kind of look like ocean supermodels with their long, slim bodies and vibrant blue colour. They're built for speed and are often seen gliding through open waters like they own the place. Blue sharks aren't super aggressive towards humans, but they are serious hunters when it comes to squid and small fish. A fun fact is, they give birth to live pups sometimes over 100 at a time. Bull shark. They reproduce through internal fertilization. Male bull sharks have two claspers, which are modified parts of their pelvic fins. You can think of claspers as the shark equivalent of a penis. They're used to transfer sperm directly into the female. During mating, the male bull shark approaches the female and bites onto her to hold her steady. This often leaves scars. Then he inserts one of his claspers into the female's cloaca, which is a shared opening for her reproductive and excretory systems. Kind of like a combination of the vulva and anus in mammals. The clasper guides the sperm into the female's reproductive tract where it can fertilize her eggs. Unlike many fish, bull sharks don't lay eggs. Instead, they are viviparous, which means the fertilized embryos develop inside the mother, kind of like in mammals. Octopuses are amazing sea animals. They are escape artists, camouflage masters, and freakishly smart. They can open jars, solve puzzles, and some even hold grudges, like personal vendettas. All octopuses are venomous and can inject toxins with their beaks. Some species, like the blue-ringed octopus, possess potent neurotoxins that can be deadly to humans. Megalodon, 20 meters in length, jaws the size of a small car. Is it extinct? Probably, but can we be sure? They could weigh between 50 to 70 tons, comparable to the size of a house. Even baby megalodons were born large, with some research suggesting they were over 2 meters at birth. They were top predators, preying on large marine mammals, including whales, dolphins, and seals. Studies suggest they had one of the most powerful bites of any predator, potentially even stronger than a T-Rex. Megalodon teeth were robust and serrated, designed for gripping and tearing through prey. Their extinction is thought to be linked to changes in ocean temperatures and sea levels associated with the onset of the ice ages. Megalodons and dinosaurs never coexisted, as dinosaurs went extinct long before megalodons appeared. Belemnite? They were the original gangster squid-like creatures with bullet-shaped shells. They were the torpedoes of the prehistoric oceans. And here's Orthoceras. They darted around with jet propulsion inside their shells. It also used the air inside its shell cavity as a buoyancy device. Anomalocaris. This thing was one of Earth's first apex predators. It had creepy eyes, grasping arms, and a circular mouth that looked like a nightmare blender. Male seahorses give birth. It's like they're the dads and the delivery room all in one. Nudibranch are colourful, squishy, and sometimes glow. They are like the rave dancers of the sea slug world. Boxfish, They are basically underwater tanks. Don't be fooled by the cute look. They can secrete toxins when stressed. Stingrays are amazing. They glide like stealth ninjas across the ocean floor. Some can jump, and yes, some sting. Great whites, precision hunters. They can sense a drop of blood in kilometers of water. Basically, the snipers of the sea. They have 300 teeth, yet they don't chew their food. Sharks rip their prey into mouth-sized chunks and they are swallowed whole. Orca, they are terrifyingly smart. They hunt in teams, mess with sharks for fun, and can mimic human speech. Do not underestimate the killer whale. Blue whale is the biggest animal that's ever lived, bigger than any dinosaur. Its heart is the size of a small car. Some of the footage, like what you're seeing above, is made with artificial intelligence. We can now bring extinct sea creatures back to life by using this image-to-video technology. It's like science meets movie magic. So that's it for our ocean deep dive. If you thought the ocean was just fish and sand, think again. Smash that like button and drop a comment if you made it this far, and let me know which sea creature freaked you out the most. See you guys in my next video.